Hi, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to request or book a ride in advance in the Uber app. And it's quite very simple, even though the Uber app has some feature like reservation that make it a bit distinct from the other ride-hailing apps. So now on your phone, just come to Uber Rider app and tap and open the app. If you open the app, it will load and bring you to the interface, and this is how the interface looks for the Uber Rider. You can see from here, you can see right here, right, tap on this right here. If you tap here, it will navigate and show you to put your address, your location, and destination. And you can see here, pick up now. Come here and tap on this. I will get this option, so you can come here and select later. Tap on later, tap on done. So it means you're booking or requesting to use it in advance or later. You can see, right? So come here and put your location and destination, and for instance, let me say you want a driver to pick you at Metama's Farmers Market to Gwarimpa tomorrow, 9th of June. You can come here on this location, tap here, edit it at your own location. I'll come here and tap Metama Farmers Market, for instance. So all these are public places, not personal address. You can see here Metama Farmers Market, select it. Then you can come here and tap destination Gwarimpa Estate, where you want driver to drop you off, Gwarimpa Estate. You can see here Gwarimpa Estate. You can see, right? If you tap on it, it will now navigate and show you to choose a time that you want the driver to come and pick you. You can see, you can come here and tap right here. It will show you time to select. And today is 8th of June, and you want to embark on this trip tomorrow, which is 9th of June. You can come here and select the date, which is 9th of June, then tap OK. Then you show this pop-up to choose a time. Let me say, for instance, I want to embark by 10. So I can come here and select 10 here. That is, you can see 10:30, and then tap OK. So by 10:30 a.m., I want the driver to pick me at Metama Farmers Market to Gwarimpa Estate. You can see. So if you select this, you can come here and tap on this continue right here. And if you tap on this continue right here, you can see you have scheduled. You are trying to schedule. So on this page here, you can see this payment method here is on cash by default, but you can change it. You can tap here on this option here. If you tap on it, and then you can change whether you want to use card or leave it on cash. If you want to use cash, you can tap on this plus icon where you can add your card information. But if you want to use cash, you can just leave it on cash here, or go back where it is on cash. So after that, you can see here the reserve Uber X. You can tap on there and then tap on confirm and then schedule your ride. And also on Uber allows you to also do a round trip. Once you confirm your ride, you will see an option that will ask you if you want to do a round trip. You can tap on it and then do a round trip. So on Uber, it's a bit different from other ride-hailing apps. So that is quite very simple. Thanks for watching, and bye.